District level practice exam 3 and subject is mathematics. So in that first one is choose the correct answer. So in an AP, if an is equal to 3n minus 6, then what will be the fourth term? So I'm going to write here a4. So where there is a n, write 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 6. So the answer is 6. So the correct option is B. The second question is, in an AP, if a is equal to 7, an is equal to 84 and sum of the first n terms is 2093 divided by 2. Now there is a formula and that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus an. Now what is this Sn? It is 2093 divided by 2 is equal to n by 2. A value is 7 plus 84. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So 84 plus 7 is 91. So 2093 divided by 91 is equal to n. So if I cancel this, then n value will become 23. So the correct answer is 23, option C. Now third question is, distance of minus 3 comma 4 from the origin is. So consider this as a x and this as a y. Now there is a formula. Okay, and the formula for the distance is x square plus y square, since it is from the origin. Okay, so this will be minus 3 square plus 4 square. So minus 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 9 is root 25 and root 25 is 5. So the correct option is C. Okay, now fourth and last question is, if P is minus 1 comma 2 is a midpoint of line joining A minus 5 and 6. So this will be x1 y1, B will be 3 minus 2, this is x2 y2. Okay, it divides AB in the ratio. So to solve this, there is a again formula. Okay, so P is equal to, so it is m1 plus m2. Here also write m1 plus m2. Again here you write m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Here m1 y2 plus m2 y1. Fine. Now P value is how much? Minus 1 comma 2. Since we don't know the ratio, so I am going to write m1 and m2 as it is. m1 and m2 I am going to write as it is. Now I am going to write here m1. What is x2 value? It is 3. So I am going to write 3 here. m2, x1 value is how much? Minus 5. m1, y2 value is how much? Minus 2. And m2, y1 value is 6. Okay. Now I am going to equate this term. So that is minus 1 into m1 plus m2, and I am going to write here 3m1 plus into minus is minus 5m2. Take this minus, first let me write, multiply this 1m1 minus 1m2 and 3m1 minus 5m2. Take this minus 5m2 on the left hand side, it will become plus. And take this minus 1m1 on the right hand side, it will become plus. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4 and 3 plus 1 is also 4. So I am going to write 4 divided by 4, and here m1, take this m2 here. So 4 ones are 4 ones are. So it is 1 by 1. So the ratio will be, the correct option is D, that is 1:1 ratio. Main second, answer the following questions. 1 mark question. Okay. Fifth question is, in an AP, if 8th term is 17. So I'm going to write here A8 is equal to 17. Okay, so A8 means A plus 7D is equal to 17. Now 14th term is 29. So A14 is equal to 29. So I can write this as A plus 13D is equal to 29. Then what will be the common difference? So I'm going to write this A plus 13D is equal to 29 and A plus 7D is equal to 17. Solve elimination method. So minus, minus and minus here. These two get cancelled. 13 minus 7 is 6D and this will be how much? 12. So D value will become 12 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. So the common difference is 2. Now, sixth question is, in an AP, if the common difference is minus 4. So, I'm going to write here D is equal to minus 4. And seventh term is 4. So, A7 is equal to 4. Then the first term. So, let us find first term. So, A7 can be written as A plus 6D. D value is minus 4. So, A plus 6 into minus 4 is equal to 4. A minus 6 fours are 24. Now take this minus 24 on the right hand side, it will become plus. So 24 plus 4 is 28. So first term is 28. Now seventh question is, if P of x comma y divides the line joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n, then coordinates of the P are. So first let me write the formula. So it is m1 plus m2, here also m1 plus m2. Here I am going to write m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 y2 plus m2 y1. Now what ratio they have given? M is to n. So instead of m1 and m2, I must write m plus n. Here also m plus n. So instead of m1, it is m x2 plus n x1. So m y2 plus n y1. So this is the correct answer. Now main third, all these are 2 marks. Okay. Now 8th question is, in an AP 14, 19, 24, 29 so on up to 119, find the number of terms using the formula. So this one is A1, A2 and this is AN. So the first term will be 14 and common difference is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 19, A1 is 14. So if I subtract, it is 5. So common difference is 5 and AN is how much? 119. Now using the formula, so the formula is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1D. AN is 119, A is 14 plus n minus 1, D value is 5. Take this 14 on the left hand side, it will become minus. So n minus 1 into 5. So if you subtract how much? 5. So 105. Okay. Take this 5 in the denominator. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 10 and 5 ones are 5. N minus 1. Minus 1 goes to the left hand side, it will become plus 1. So n value is 22. Now 9th question is, in an AP 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 and so on, find the sum of first 20 terms. So this is A1, A2. Okay. Now first term is 5. Common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is 10 minus 5 is 5 and n is 20. Since they have asked find the sum, so the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is 20, so 20 by 2. 2, a value is 5 and 20 minus 1, d value is 5. 2 ones are 2 tens are 5 twos are 10 and 20 minus 1 is 19 into 5, 10. So here 10, 95. Okay, so 10 into 105. So if you multiply, you'll get 1050 as a answer. Now 10th question is, if a and b, that is minus 2 minus 2, I'll consider this as a x1 y1, 2 minus 4 x2 y2 respectively. Find the coordinates of a p such that AP divided by AB is equal to 3 by 7. AB and P lies on the same line segment. So first from here to here, this is A and this is B. Minus 2 comma minus 2 and here 2 comma minus 4. So x1 y1, x2 y2. Consider this as a P. Since it is 3 by 7, so AP will become 3. From A to B it is 7. So from P to B I can write 7 minus 3. It will become 4. Okay. Now this is M1 and this is a M2. So let me write the formula. P is equal to M1 plus M2, and here also M1 plus M2, M1 x2 plus M2 x1, M1 y2 plus M2 y1. Now the ratio is 3 and 4, so it is 3 plus 4. Here also 3 plus 4. Okay. Now M1 is 3, x2 is 2, M2 is 4, x1 is minus 2 and M1 is 3 again, y2 is minus 4, M2 is 4 and y1 is minus 2. Okay, 3 twos are 6, minus 4 twos are 8 by 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 fours are 12, so it is minus 12, minus 4 twos are 8 by 7. So this will become minus 2 by 7 and this will become minus 20 by 7. So this is your final answer. Now 11th question, if the vertices of a parallelogram, so let me draw a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD, A, B, C and D. So minus 2 comma 3, 6 comma 7, 8 comma 3 and this will become x comma y. Then what is the vertices of a D? So I'm going to join the diagonal AC and BD. So I'm going to write here diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD by using midpoint formula. Okay, so by using midpoint formula, I can write this as a x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. So AC, so minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, now next is 3 plus 3 divided by 2. Now BD, so this will be x plus 6 divided by 2 and then next y plus 7 divided by 2. Now equating, so 8 minus 2 is 6 by 2 and here I am going to write x plus 6 divided by 2. 3 plus 3 is 6 by 2 and here it will be y plus 7 divided by 2. Cancel this 2 and this 2. So take this plus 6 on the left hand side, it will become minus. So x value is 0, and take this 7 on the left hand side, it will become minus. So y value is minus 1. So d coordinate is 0 comma minus 1. Now this is 3-mark question. Question number 12 is, in an AP, if the third term is 16, so I'm going to write A3 is equal to 16, and 7th term, A7 is equal to 12 more than 5th term, so it is 12 plus A5. Find the AP. Now A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16. Now 7th term is A plus 6D is equal to 12 plus A5 means A plus 4D. A get cancelled. Take this 4 on the left hand side, it will become minus. 6 minus 4 is 2. D is equal to 12 divided by 2. So D value is 6. Substitute this D value here in this. So A plus 2 into 6. 6 2s are 12. Now take 12 on the other side. 16 minus 12 is 4. So first term is 4. Now they are telling find AP. So A1, A2, A3 and so on. What is the first term? It is 4. What is the second term? It is A plus D. So 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. Again 10 plus 6 is 16 and so on are in AP. Now 13th question is, show that A, B, C, D are the vertices of a square. So first I'm going to draw a square. A, how much? 1 comma 7. B is 4 comma 2. C is minus 1 minus 1. And D value is minus 4 comma 4. So to solve this, there is a distance formula. Okay. So I'm going to use this formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So AB, BC, CD and last one is DA. Okay, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, C is x3 y3 and this is x4 y4. Now AB means, so I can write 4 minus 1 square and next 7 minus 2 square. So 4 minus 1 is 3 square and 7 minus 2 is 5 square. So 9 plus 25 will become root 34. Now next one is BC. So I can write 4 minus into minus is plus, so it is plus 1 square. Next 2, this minus and this minus will become plus, so 2 plus 1 square. So 4 plus 1 is 5 square and 2 plus 1 is 3 square. Don't you think these two are same? Okay, 25 plus 9 is again a root 34. Now next comes CD. Okay, now minus 1, this minus and this minus will become plus, so it is plus 4 square. And next is 4 plus 1, 4, this minus and this minus will become plus, so it is 4 plus 1 square. 4 minus 1 is 3 square, 4 plus 1 is 5 square. This and this is same, so I can write root 34. Last one is DA. Now 1, this minus and this minus is plus, so it is 1 plus 4 square. And next 4 minus 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4 square. So this is 5 square plus 3 square. These two are same. So again it is root 34. All the values are equal. It means diagonals are also equal. Therefore we can tell that ABCD is a square. Now solve the following question. This is for 4 marks, 14th question. Okay, in this question you need to look for this. Now first row is 2, second row is 5, third row is 8, and so on. Okay, now based on this question, find the number of pots placed in the 10th row. So this is A1, A2. What is the first term? It is 2. D is A2 minus A1, that is 5 minus 2 is 3. 10th row means what is the A10? A10 means A plus 9D. A value is 2. D value is 3. 2 plus 9 3 is 27. So the answer is 29. Now the second question is find the difference in the number of the pots placed in the 5th row and second row. Okay, so difference A5 minus A2. A5 means what? A plus 4D minus A minus A plus 1D. I can write this as A plus 4D minus A minus 1D. A and A get cancelled. 4 minus 1 is a 3D. Okay. Now what is the D value from here? It is 3. So 3 3 is a 9. So difference is 9. Now the difference of A5 minus A2 is 9. Now the last part of this question is if Gautam wants to place 101 pot in the total, then find the total number of rows formed in the arrangement. So AN is 101. So according to the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is how much? 101. A is how much? First term, that is 2. N minus 1. Common difference is how much? 3. Now take this 2 on the left hand side. It will become 101 minus 2 is equal to N minus 1. Okay. Now this will be 99 and divided by 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. So N minus 1. Take 1 minus 1 on the left hand side. It will become plus. So 33 plus 1. So N value will become 34. So that is the total number of rows. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching.